So we're back here with the elderberry, but we're not back here in the car. I've got no tools. I've got very limited tools. I got here on my trusty skateboard, which didn't go to plan. Yeah, I might have gone down a hill a little bit too fast. So yeah, that was stupid of me. But I'm gonna do something that I wouldn't recommend to other people. I'm gonna put this back together and we're gonna drive it home with the timing being wrong. Now, it's a very brave decision on my part. Like I say, I don't advise it, but I know that it will run. I'm gonna disconnect the N75, disconnect the MAF. It's not gonna like it, but it will get me home. Reason being, I ran out of time to do journeys before I needed to give him the keys back for the garage. I didn't want to pay more in garage fees and things like that. I'm going away for a week, and then I've got engine work to do on my papaya, and yeah, time is running out. However, if this is sat at home, I can get it done half an hour here, half an hour there, or a couple of hours if I get a chance to actually get it done. Easier than having to travel down, fix it, drive something home, arrange to come and pick up my other vehicle or whatever. Yeah, so screw it, get the train. So I get on the train, nowhere to sit, just got to stand up all the way to London. Then I've got to faff around, working my way out how to get through the underground and all that stuff. And then it's a half-hour trip from the train station in Reading to here, which is why I was like, I'll bring the skateboard. Like I say, that was a bad decision. I'm going to be regretting that, because now I've got a holiday and my knees are ruined. Mummy. Anyway, so I bought a couple of extra nuts with me. I'm going to do those up. I'm going to piece it together, and then you get to hear whether it's going to start up and how bad it's going to sound. I'm still not 100% convinced this is the right decision, but I'm here now. I've got to do it. Okay, what angle do we give you? Do you want to see my reaction or the sound of the car? My reaction is going to be, it's going to tell all, isn't it? I'm very much expecting a rattling noise as the VVT overcompensates for what's going on, which it can do, which is why we're kind of safe-ish. Anyway, okay, right. Let's get the jump pack out. Here it goes. I mean, it runs. It runs. Doesn't run off the alternator. You're kidding me. Oh, let's try that again. brilliant. Can't drive it home. Wasted trip. Great. Brilliant. No idea why, but alternator's obviously shot as well. Brilliant. Okay, well, short but sweet this video. I'm now stranded in Reading. Brilliant. Waste of a train fare and a train fare home. To say that I'm pissed off would be an understatement. How's the alternator gone bad? That's ridiculous. Right, well, see you next week.